Are your recent Facebook searches not showing up, displaying incorrectly, or showing outdated information? Several factors could be causing these frustrating issues. Facebook's recent privacy overhauls and algorithm modifications in 2024 and 2025 have significantly impacted search history functionality. These major platform updates have changed how search data is stored and displayed. One of the most common issues is cache synchronization problems. Your searches might not appear immediately, or you might see outdated information because the local cache on your device isn't properly syncing with Facebook's servers. You might also notice discrepancies between the mobile app and desktop versions. Recent searches often display differently between these platforms due to the recent updates affecting each version differently. Account switching bugs can further complicate things, causing search history mixing or complete disappearance. This is especially problematic if you manage multiple Facebook accounts on the same device. Facebook stores recent searches both locally on your device and on its servers. These two storage locations need to sync properly for your search history to display correctly. When this synchronization fails, you experience search history issues. Your privacy settings also play a crucial role. Search history visibility is directly tied to your activity log settings and privacy preferences. Changes to these settings can make your search history appear to disappear when it's actually just hidden. Finally, poor network connectivity can prevent proper synchronization between your device and Facebook's servers. Without a stable internet connection, your recent searches may not update or display correctly. Understanding these underlying causes helps explain why your Facebook search history might not be working as expected. Each of these factors can contribute to the frustrating experience of missing or incorrect search results. When Facebook recent searches aren't showing correctly, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue. We'll start with immediate solutions and progress to more advanced fixes. First, clear your browser cache and cookies. These temporary files can become corrupted and prevent search history from displaying properly. Next, update your Facebook app to the latest version. App updates often include fixes for search-related bugs and improved functionality. Check your privacy settings in the activity log. Your search history might be hidden due to privacy setting changes. Navigate to Settings and Privacy, then Activity Log to verify visibility. For persistent issues, try Advanced Solutions. Android users can reset app preferences in their device settings. This restores default settings without deleting app data. If problems persist, completely reinstall the Facebook app. This removes all cached data and provides a fresh installation that often resolves stubborn search issues. Verify your network connectivity. Poor internet connections can prevent search history from syncing properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test connectivity. If none of these solutions work, contact Facebook support through the Help Center. They can assist with account-specific issues and server-side problems that require technical intervention. To prevent future search issues, maintain regular app updates, periodically clear your cache, review privacy settings, and monitor Facebook's official announcements for known issues and maintenance updates. Following these troubleshooting steps systematically will resolve most Facebook search history issues. Start with the immediate solutions and progress to advanced methods only if needed.